Do you get unsolicited comments about your weight loss journey? Is this affecting your mindset and energy to continue with losing weight? If so, it might be because you aren't setting the right boundaries for yourself. In today's video, I'll be discussing how to create the right boundaries to get you on the right path for weight loss success. Many of my weight loss coaching clients feel like they aren't supported in their weight loss journey because of less than positive comments or unsolicited opinions and advice from others. This makes your weight loss journey difficult, and you may start to question yourself and the process. That's why we are going to talk about setting boundaries for weight loss success. First of all, what are boundaries? Boundaries is what you identify as acceptable or unacceptable behavior. It's like an invisible line you draw around yourself that keeps evolving as you learn more about yourself. Boundaries keep your emotional energy preserved and tells people how you will and will not be treated. Boundaries give structure and order, which allows you to know what to expect and not accept. When someone oversteps your boundaries, you may feel resentful or taken advantage of. Why set boundaries for weight loss? Setting boundaries for weight loss is really important because there will be many influences and perhaps unsolicited opinions that you will encounter during your weight loss journey. For example, people who are not supportive of your weight loss journey or progress give you less than positive comments about where you are now, or they don't respect your decisions and try to persuade you to partake in activities that reverse your progress. A common example I hear from my weight loss clients is that they are proud of the progress they made, but their friend or family member disregards or puts down their progress or tries to challenge their weight loss journey by tempting them with food or judging them about their food choices. These behaviors and comments can be hurtful because others are invading your mind and personal space. And remember, losing weight in a healthy, sustainable way doesn't mean you can't enjoy favorite foods in the process. In fact, you should enjoy them in the process of weight loss. But comments that violate your weight loss journey can leave you doubting yourself, your weight loss results, your ability to lose weight, and can cause you to avoid continuing on with your journey and even self-sabotaging your efforts. That's why it's important to set and enforce boundaries for your weight loss journey. Your mental health is important to keep intact and high during your weight loss journey and beyond. We can't control how others react, but we can manage what we will tolerate with our time and energy. We also can't control how others see us, but we can control how we see ourselves. This may sound cheesy, but it's true. At the end of the day, what matters most is your opinion and how you feel about your body, your food choices, and what you will tolerate from others. How to set boundaries for your weight loss journey. The first thing is to establish what you will and will not tolerate about your weight loss related to comments about your food choices, body, or weight loss progress. Second, enforce your boundaries. It's okay to be direct and tell others how you feel about their comments or their actions. For example, I feel that your comment about my weight loss progress was hurtful. I am proud of my weight loss achievements. You own how you feel, and no one has the right to disregard how they or anything made you feel. The third is communicate how you would like to be treated and keep it simple and clear. For example, I would appreciate it if you could support me in my weight loss journey. The fourth thing is, if the situation makes you upset or emotional, take some time to think about the situation rather than being reactive right away. Remember, you can always discuss the situation with the other person at a later time to enforce your boundaries. The fifth thing is be patient with yourself. Learning how to create and enforce boundaries takes time and practice. It may seem scary at first because you don't want to hurt anyone's feelings, but your own well-being is your top priority. And you can establish and communicate your boundaries with respect and confidence. Understand that the other person may not even be aware that their comment is hurtful or disrespectful to you. Everyone is always thinking about themselves first, and their upbringing can also affect how they communicate as well. For example, I grew up in a household where talk about others' body is a normal discussion, and oftentimes it's the first comment that is made when they see somebody. When I was growing up and visited my relatives in Asia, the first thing they would say to me was always something about my weight and being overweight. It affected me a lot, and I didn't know how to set boundaries or what that even means. And I share more about my weight loss story here, but I'm not sure if my relatives knew how hurtful those words were. I feel like it was something that is just passed down from generation, and I'm not saying that it's okay, but I think they lacked awareness. When someone lacks awareness, they don't know that they may need to change. I always want to go into each situation giving the person the benefit of the doubt rather than expecting people to know what is I considered is common sense to say, because more often than not, common sense is far from common. I always want to go into each situation giving the person the benefit of the doubt rather than expecting people to know what I consider as common sense to say and not to say. Because more often than not, common sense is far from common. For personalized coaching to get you to your healthy eating and weight loss goals, apply for my Elite Weight Loss Coaching Program at adriennrd.com or click on the link in the description below my video. Check out these other videos to get tips and recipes of healthy weight loss from me. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit the bell button, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.